Samsung is making bold moves in 2025, and one of the most exciting surprises in their lineup is the Galaxy S25 Edge. This device has just leaked, revealing an ultra-slim design, flagship-level performance, and some surprising trade-offs. While Samsung originally planned to announce it later this year, a leaked hands-on video from a Spanish tech YouTuber has already shown the phone in full detail. With Apple gearing up for the iPhone 17 Air, Samsung seems to be positioning the S25 Edge as a direct competitor, offering a premium flagship experience in a ridiculously slim form factor. But how does it compare to other Galaxy S25 models? And is the ultra-thin design a game-changer or a potential drawback? Let's break down everything we know so far. Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, the slimmest flagship yet? Samsung's Galaxy S25 series has already been making waves, but the S25 Edge might be the real showstopper. According to the leaked footage, this is Samsung's thinnest flagship ever, putting it in direct competition with Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Air, which is also expected to be a super thin smartphone. The video shows the S25 Edge alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and the results are impressive. The Z Fold 6 measures around 5.6 millimeters when unfolded, and the S25 Edge appears to be just slightly thicker. This suggests that the S25 Edge could be around 6 millimeters thick, making it one of the slimmest full-fledged smartphones ever made. But, of course, with ultra-slim design comes compromises. Let's dive into the specs and see whether Samsung has made any major sacrifices. Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, leaked hardware and specifications. The hands-on video not only showcased the phone's design, but also revealed key hardware specs. Here's what we know so far. Display. While not explicitly mentioned in the video, it's safe to assume the S25 Edge will feature a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120 Hz refresh rate, similar to other S25 models. Chipset. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite processor, the same as in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This means it will deliver top-tier flagship performance. RAM and storage. The leaked unit features 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Other configurations may be available at launch. Camera setup. The leaked video lists a 12MP selfie camera and a 200MP primary rear camera, though software inconsistencies misidentified the rear sensor as 12MP. Battery. The S25 Edge reportedly has a 4,000 mAh battery, which may raise concerns given how other flagships push 5,000 mAh or more. While most of these specs align with Samsung's usual flagship standards, the battery size is a notable downgrade. Could Samsung have used a silicon battery to increase capacity while keeping the design ultra-thin? Maybe, but their priority seems to be slimness over battery life. Design and build quality. Ultra-thin, but at what cost? Samsung's decision to focus on an ultra-thin design signals a shift toward aesthetics and premium feel. But there are pros and cons to such an approach. Pros. White heavy checkmark ultra sleek design that competes with Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Air. White heavy checkmark premium build quality, likely using Gorilla Glass Victus 3 and an aluminum frame. White heavy checkmark lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it great for one-handed use. Cons. Crossmark smaller battery, 4,000 mAh, could lead to shorter battery life. Crossmark potential heat management issues in such a slim form factor. Crossmark possibly no periscope zoom lens, unlike the S25 Ultra. Samsung is clearly targeting users who prioritize style and portability over battery life and extra features. The S25 Edge may not be for power users, but it could appeal to those looking for a stylish, lightweight flagship.